Little elephant. Once there was a little elephant Taro. He was living with his family in a big jungle. Sadly, Taro didn't have any friends because other kids used to tease him because of his long nose, especially Joey Fox. And because of that, Taro started to stop playing with other kids in the jungle. He used to sit alone on the bank of a river. One day he heard a noise in the jungle. It was coming from the direction of Joey Fox's house. When he went there, he saw other animals running towards him. They were running from something while shouting and crying for help. He asked the Momo monkey what is the situation and why they were running and shouting for help. Momo monkey told him that Joey Fox's home has got fire and it is spreading in other parts of the jungle. Someone needs to extinguish the fire or it will spread and burn the whole jungle. Little Taro also got scared and started to run towards his home. But he saw his whole family was going in the direction of fire. He also went there. He saw that his family was spraying a huge amount of water from the big noses. He also started doing so. Like his family, he also carried water in his nose and sprayed it on fire. After some time they managed to extinguish the fire. Every animal thanked them for saving their lives. Taro has understood the utility of his nose. Now he was a hero among the kids and he was proud because of his nose.